Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make such beautiful half moon earrings. Friends, I want to say big thanks for all your comments. Your comments inspire me to create something new, and really big thank you. I tried to make this video and I need your support. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. Also leave your comments under the video what you think about these earrings. And let's start make it. I cut it out the form of earring of paper. Then take polymer clay. You can take clay any color, but better take black clay. But I haven't black clay, and I will color it with black acrylic paint. Cut out the form of clay. Make fastenings. Bake in oven. After baking, polish sides and surface. Cover with acrylic paint. Take gold self-adhesive film and cut out form of little half moons. Add half beads. And little gold beads. Also, I add piece of gold foil. Connect two parts together. And cover the surface of earrings with epoxy resin. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. Friends, I hope everything was clear for you. Please write your impression. I tried so much and your opinion is really important for me. Big thanks for watching my video and see you soon. Bye!